If your home isn't as comfortable or efficient as it used to be, your windows could be the reason. Many homeowners don't realize how much outdated or damaged windows can affect daily living. From rising energy bills to poor insulation, old windows often create problems that only get worse over time. Fortunately, upgrading to replacement windows in Mesa can resolve these common issues while improving your home's comfort, appearance, and value. One of the most noticeable problems homeowners face is poor energy efficiency. Older windows tend to have worn seals, single-pane glass, or outdated materials that allow air to leak in and out. This forces your heating and cooling system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. With modern replacement windows, you benefit from advanced insulation, multi-pane glass, and energy-efficient coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures. The result is a more comfortable home and lower monthly energy bills. Another common issue is uncomfortable drafts and temperature fluctuations. If you've ever felt a sudden chill near your windows or noticed certain rooms are harder to keep cool, your current windows may not be sealing properly. Replacement windows are designed with tighter seals and improved framing systems that eliminate drafts and maintain consistent temperatures throughout your home. Excessive outside noise is another concern, especially if you live in a busy neighborhood. Older windows often lack proper insulation, allowing sound to travel easily into your home. Upgrading to modern replacement windows can significantly reduce noise thanks to better sealing and insulated glass. This creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment where you can relax without constant distractions. Many homeowners also struggle with difficulty opening and closing windows. Over time, frames can warp, hardware can wear out, and tracks can become damaged. This not only causes frustration but can also pose safety risks in emergencies. Replacement windows operate smoothly with updated mechanisms, making them easier to use while improving overall safety and convenience. Moisture buildup and condensation between window panes is another clear sign of window failure. This typically indicates a broken seal, which reduces insulation and can lead to further damage if left unaddressed. Replacement windows eliminate this issue by providing properly sealed, high-quality glass units that prevent moisture intrusion and maintain clarity. Old windows can also contribute to fading furniture and flooring. Constant exposure to UV rays can damage your interior over time, causing discoloration in carpets, curtains, and furniture. Many modern replacement windows include UV-resistant coatings that help protect your home's interior while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. Another issue often overlooked is high maintenance requirements. Traditional window materials like wood may require frequent painting, sealing, or repairs to stay in good condition. Replacement windows made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass are designed for durability and low maintenance. They resist moisture, warping, and corrosion, allowing you to spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. In addition to solving functional problems, replacement windows also address outdated appearance and curb appeal. Old, worn windows can make your home look tired and less inviting. New windows instantly refresh your home's exterior and interior, offering modern styles and finishes that complement your design preferences. This upgrade not only enhances aesthetics but can also increase property value. Finally, security concerns are often improved with replacement windows. Older windows may have weak locks or compromised frames, making them easier to breach. Modern windows come with enhanced locking systems and stronger materials, giving you added peace of mind. Upgrading to replacement windows in Mesa is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's a solution to a wide range of everyday issues. From better energy efficiency and comfort to improved security and reduced noise, new windows make a noticeable difference in how your home looks and feels. If you've been dealing with any of these common problems, it may be time to consider a window upgrade. With the right replacement windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and beautiful home for years to come.